Hello all. Welcome to Studious Wanderer. In this vlog, we shall share our first impressions after driving new Force Gurkha on day 1, which includes some off-roading. We shall bring you a very detailed video soon after testing it to its true potential. Please do subscribe and make sure to click on the bell icon to stay connected. It's when you leave the road and hit the trail that the Gurkha comes into its element. The slushy pits, rocky sections, and hillocks on our path don't challenge the Gurkha, and the fact is, it'll achieve more in two-wheel drive than most SUVs within their off-road setting. Visibility is excellent and the squared-out shape makes it easy to place on narrow paths. With its boxy shape, cliff-faced sides, clamshell bonnet, round headlights et al., the new Gurkha carries forward the old one's G-Class for the masses look. However, the overall treatment is far more sophisticated. Every panel is new and the shut lines are tighter, and the enhanced quality level alone elevates the Gurkha from a rudimentary off-roader to something more lifestyle. The flamboyant shade of orange helps to this end too, and we have chosen the same color for our Gurkha. The new model has its share of eye-catching details as well. It wears the new Gurkha lettering on its grille as a badge of honor. The traditional round headlights are now all LED units and get a cool jewel-like daytime running lamp theme. The high-set position of the indicators hasn't been tinkered with, but the bonnet is chunkier, the front bumper is fuller. And like the previous Gurkha, this one's snorkel is standard with official weighting ability is rated at 700mm. Flush-fitting windows, higher set tail lights that sit on the bodywork, and a new bumper are the changes of note at the back. A full-size spare tire that sits on the tailgate completes the look. There's scope to personalize your Gurkha too. Our car was decked up with a rear ladder, roof rack with a jerrycan holder and AT tires, and there'll be more on the accessories menu too. As on the old Gurkha, you'll need to make the most of the footstep and grab bar to work your way into the new one's high-set cabin. It's not cutting-edge by any measure, but the full-length dashboard, rotary aircon vents and even the storage slots between the front seats make this a more habitable place. The front seats are large and supportive. The big highlight inside the Gurkha is the level of comfort for rear seat occupants. The rear seats comprise two forward-facing chairs, access to which is via the side-hinged rear door. A footstep helps with the steep climb up and you have to duck-walk your way through the passage between the seats, but it sure beats entering via the front door and contorting yourself as in the Thar. The new Force Gurkha has indeed come a long way. The new Gurkha is now capable of taking you to work through the week, while also carrying your friends and family to picnic on a mountaintop, in the jungle, or beside a far lakeside on the weekends. See you all soon in our next video with more details and some amazing places as we continue using it.